body for blood pressure and all these things. Cleanse your body, cleanse your immune system, and build your immune system. You know what I mean? I just want to make it clear if I say, you know what I mean, sometimes when Chef Ricardo been saying look after ourselves, and you know what I mean, make sure every one of us, make sure we look after ourselves in a perfect way, and you know what I mean, make sure everything alright. A lot of people doesn't listen. You know what happened now? Basically, most people, you know what, they go on the YouTube channel and them type in and they say, oh yes, Chef Ricardo, you're right. Guys, I want to say, and I will never stop preach this, we need to look after ourselves. And one of the biggest thing right now with human being that doesn't listen to our body. Alright guys, how are you going to listen to your body? Please leave it in the comments box down below, in the description box, because a lot of people doesn't know. Okay? Today we're going to do a remedy for our body at home. Remedy, you know what I mean? We all know that one day, we doesn't know when it's going to happen, but for God's sake, let's look after ourselves, guys. It's very important. Alright? You know what happened? I'll give you a little history. I went to the hospital this evening to look for one of my friends. And when I look at him, yeah, I only think come to myself. I don't know why human being doesn't listen. You know what I mean? Why we doesn't look after ourselves. You know what I mean? We can't act like we think we are a vehicle or we think we are a piece of iron. We're a human being. We have to look after ourselves. You know what I mean? You have your new brand car. Why you washing off your car and getting your car polishing, shining and all these things, and you're not look after yourself? Tell me the reason why. Write it in the description box. So I want to know why people keep shining their car, polishing down everywhere and nice, but you're human, your body yourself, you doesn't look after yourself. You know what I mean? A lot of man will go out there and spend 50, 60 grand get a car, but they can't spend 500 pounds to get certain things to look after yourself, look after your body, which gonna sit in that car. Please write it in the description box, guys. I said to you, we all need to look after ourselves. This is how it starts. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. You know what I mean? As I was talking a bit earlier, saying that a lot of people doesn't listen to their body, doesn't listen to their self, doesn't listen to nothing. You know what I mean? I'm always preaching and saying that we have to look after ourselves. You know what I mean? A lot of people might say, Chef Ricardo, what you talking about, looking after ourselves? Well, who gonna look after ourselves? You know what I mean? We always have to look after ourselves. We come first. You know what I mean? You look after yourself. Yeah? You know, let me tell you what a lot of people, I don't like, we are a lot of people, yeah? When I say look after yourself, they doesn't know what they're talking about. You give them a new brand car, they drive it, and they wash it, they clean it, they do everything with it, but they can't look after themselves. You know what I mean? The question I'm asking, why a man will spend 50, 60 grand on a car, and at the same time you can spend at least a 250 pounds to buy certain things to look after yourself at home. But today, I want to share a recipe with my fans. You know what I mean? They might have said, Chef Ricardo, you've been doing a lot of recipe like this, like that, but I'm telling you guys, we have to look after ourselves, and I will never stop preaching that. Alright? Today's video is gonna be an amazing recipe, and I know you guys are going to love this recipe because it's a recipe which rests on my heart over the last couple of days, and I decided I want to share the recipe with my fans them at home. This is a remedy which rests on my heart over the last couple of days. I decided I want to share it with my fans and that's you guys can make this one at home. Alright? First thing I must say, I have some ginger. If you notice, all my ginger then is really chunky and nice. This is a remedy for, I'm just gonna simply remove the skin from the ginger. I'm gonna make you guys can see exactly what's going on right here inside of my kitchen with Chef Ricardo. I got a fat chunk of piece of a ginger, yeah, and I have some garlic right here. You know, garlic is very important. A lot of people doesn't like garlic, but you know what I mean, I like garlic. I love my garlic, man. Honestly, I love garlic so much. I can't cook without garlic. What we're going to do, we're gonna simply remove the shell from the garlic, the dry bit. Just simple get 2 cloves of garlic or 1 clove of garlic, because a lot of people doesn't like garlic. We're gonna be using 1 clove of garlic with a fat chunk of piece of a ginger. Alright, now right over here we got some lemon. We're going to cut 2 lemons into half, just like this. This is a remedy which I'm saying, guys, it's good for blood pressure, it's good for a lot of things, weight loss, and also all you need to do is take 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 in the evening before you go to your bed. Alright guys, so basically I have my Ninja blender right here. This one is a really big Ninja blender. It's going to make a little bit of noise, but as I said, it's a remedy which I've been working on over the last couple of days. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the ginger inside of a fat chunk of piece of a ginger inside of the blender like that. 1 clove of garlic inside of the blender. And what we're going to do now, we're going to squeeze some lemon inside of it like this. Guys, this is a very, very important recipe where Chef Ricardo been sharing with you. You know what I mean? I'm always doing my research. As I say, you know, Chef Ricardo been doing this over the last 3 years now. I've been doing a lot of this video. Many people might say, oh, Chef Ricardo saw that video before, but all of my video them are totally different, guys. Honestly, a lot of people know that. They'll never be the same. Probably might me using the same remedy and recipe, but my video then is totally different. So I'm gonna be using these 2 lemon. Alright, as I can see. Nice and lovely. But as I said before, guys, a lot of people doesn't listen. I don't know why. A lot of people doesn't listen to their body when their body say enough is enough. As I said before, I know so many people right now over this world, you know what I mean, was saying, people all over the world saying, Chef Ricardo, you know what happened? Everything what you've been saying is perfect. Yeah? I'm not saying I'm perfectly, you know what I mean, but a lot of people saying, Chef Ricardo, all of these things what you've been doing, you're right. Yeah? So what we're going to do, we're going to put some apple cider vinegar inside of it. It's a perfect remedy for my fans today. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar, which is one of the most powerful things on the planet. As I said before in my video the other day, less than 1 billion people all worldwide been using apple cider vinegar. Can you imagine the amount of people been using apple cider vinegar and also use it for different stuff? So what I'm going to do, you can go into the shop and get the honey. You can get the natural honey. Try and get the honey which doesn't have sugar. Because a lot of honey out there, they have sugar in it. It's not real honey. Alright? So basically what we're going to do now, we're going to put in 1, 2 tablespoons of the honey. Alright? This is a remedy for my fans and where you can, if you want to make a big potion, please blend a lot more. Alright guys? So I'm just doing a little potion for my fans them to see. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to simple blend this up. Alright guys? You might hear a little bit of noise, but please bear with me. Nice and lovely. Alright, that's all the Ninja makes so much nice. I don't know, that's why they call it Ninja blender, but that's fine. What we're going to do now is simple. I'm going to show my fans them exactly what's going on right here. We're going to pour this into a smaller glass, just like this. Alright, basically you can blend it a little bit finer if you like to, but I'm just going to show my fans them what they need to do. So what you need to do now, you get a teaspoon like this, and every morning you do a thing like this. 1 in the morning, and 1 in the evening. Really nice. Really nice. So basically, if you take 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, honestly, you will see exactly what I'm talking about with this remedy. Honestly, it's just a remedy good for you at home. A lot of people been suffering for a lot of things in this whole wide world, and a lot of people doesn't know that. Then because of them not listening to their body. This is one of the biggest things, you know what I mean? I know a lot of people saying to me, Chef Ricardo, yes, you're true, you're right. But a lot of people doesn't take the time out to listen to their body. They take the time out to listen to their car, their phone, so many different things. They take the time out to listen. But when you come to your body, I don't know why people doesn't listen. You know what I mean? But guys, as I said, it's a perfect remedy. And now hopefully someone will try it at home. Give it a try, give it a go, and tell me what you think. Please leave your comments on my YouTube channel, guys. We got a lot more recipe will be coming out for the fans. Thank you so much for watching my show. We got a lot more stuff will be